During the event submission process, you may now add post-event feedback. Post-event feedback will allow attendees to anonymously rate and answer questions following an event. They will be notified with a link that expires 72 hours after the notification is sent. Event evaluation questions are not required and won't be sent within the notification unless they're added. Note you do need to upload attendance to your ExperienceBU event for this system feature to work. Watch our attendance tracking or attendance URL tutorial videos for more details. Click here to automatically send post-event feedback notification after the event. If you do not add questions, all event attendees can anonymously rate the event on a 5-star scale and leave an optional comment. If questions are added, all event attendees will be able to anonymously answer. Click Add Summary if you would like to include summary or instructions about the questions the respondents will answer. Select a question type from the drop-down menu and click Add Question to add a new question. The question types are single line, where a respondent can type a single line in response, multi-line, where a respondent can type multiple lines in response, radio button, where a respondent can select one out of multiple options, checkboxes, where a respondent can select multiple options out of multiple options, and drop-down menu, where a respondent can select one option out of multiple options in a drop-down menu form. Here is a completed post-event feedback page. Here you can see a summary and some added questions. This, for example, is a radio button question. I've made it required, and you can also add a question description. I can click the 3 dots on the right of any question, and I can move it, duplicate it, or delete it. This is an example of another radio button question. This is a multi-line question. Here's a drop-down menu question. And finally, a checkbox question. Once you're done setting up your questions, click Next and continue on in the event submission process. To manage your post-event feedback, you'll want to go to your events list and select your event. So this is the event that I set up post-event feedback for. Scrolling down, I can see I have some responses. I can click Send Notifications to alert attendees to provide event feedback. Note that the system will only remind a user once. Finally, I can click Export Feedback to download an Excel spreadsheet of student responses and comments. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email experiencebu@brocku.ca.